Hi, what's up everybody? A new video from Hy2Tech Pure Hydrogen Fuel Saving System. This is our new HHO machine and welding machine. Now it stopped when the pressure was max, and now it will start again. Yes, it's fully automated. It has the water levels here and there on the lights. Also the buzzer system, when the water level is less, there is the buzzer in it. And we will make a welding test. As you see, it's a welding machine also. The system is running here with 1 bar pressure. This is the hydrogen power coming from the water. This is fully automated system. It has a wireless control module in it also. You can control it from your Android phone. You can adjust the volume here, as you see here the watts. Here the welded part inside. It's a perfect welding. Really very good. This system can run 24 hours without stopping. You can make welding. Also, you can clean the engines, carbon cleaning with this machine. Thanks for your watching.